Hello, hello, hello guys. Today's stain effect is going to be this gorgeous old weathered barnwood look. We've done a weathered barnwood look before, but we whitewashed it to give it that more, the trendy appearance that's really in at the minute. We're not going to do that with this one. If you've ever seen the old granaries or the old barns that are standing in the middle of the farmer's field, where the rain's fallen down on the boards and the years and years of the weathering, they just look old and beautiful. So today, I'm going to show you how to get that effect, this, on some standard plain pine tongue and groove paneling. Stay tuned. So for this look, we're going to use two colours and that's it. We're going to use a MINWAX Classic Grey and a VARATHANE Rust-Oleum KONA colour. Now when you use your Classic Grey, you have to make sure you stir it up properly. So that's stirred, and what we're going to do is dip your chip brushes in and just work in sections. I'm probably going to do two or three sections at a time, maybe four. The important thing for this is when you finish doing your Classic Grey section, make sure the brush doesn't really have any excess stain left on it, because this is the brush we're also going to use to blend. So we've got this here. Now I'm going to grab the KONA. Oops. You see in these sections here, where I haven't got any grey, I'm going to do this. I forgot to stir it. Here's me talking about stirring the grey and I forgot to stir the KONA. Oh, I'm so clever. That's better. So that's that there. Now, the grey brush that you had your Classic Grey on, I'm just going to lightly go over and blend these colours in together. And that, believe it or not, really is it. If the sections where it's not blending properly, with your grey brush still, get some more Classic Grey, not too much. Just get enough on the brush so that you can get these colours blended. And that, believe it or not, is all it is. I'm going to finish the rest of this panel and we'll show you the finished product. There, and we now have our finished panel. That was like, I mean seriously, the quickest stain effect in the world. This is the top of a KONA locker unit, and I use this stain effect on this too. Completely looks like old barn planks, don't you think? You don't need to just use it on planks. Let's go see something else. There, I also did this stain effect on the tops of the base for the locker unit. So you can also do it on tabletops or anything else really. Just remember to layer and blend. So do you believe me now when I say this was the super easiest thing that you could ever do to a new piece of wood? It's a great one if you've got a big expanse of maybe the tongue and groove pine panels like I've got here. It doesn't take long, so it's something that you can create a really good effect with, and it doesn't take too many skills whatsoever. The thing that we need to remember with this is because we haven't wiped off any excess, you are going to need to let this dry for a good 24 hours before you put any clear coat on. So thank you for watching another tutorial. I hope you'll be back to see another one. Come over and follow me on Instagram, Rustic Duck Furniture, and you can see the things that I build and the paint effects that I put on them in real time on a day-by-day basis. Come and give me a follow on Facebook too if you have Facebook. And I will be back for the next tutorial very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. Whitewash, we've literally just let the stain do the talking. What was I doing? I have no idea.